second standard, your first chapter. Ordering number we have already learned, increasing order and the decreasing order. Okay. So if you arrange the number from smallest to greatest, then that is the increasing order. If you arrange number from greatest to smallest, then that is your decreasing order. Okay. So today we will learn the completed table. See here, you have to give one short form. So long form is expanded form. Expanded form is you have to write down the place value. So 3 at the 100 place, 1, 10 and the 100. So 3 at the 100 place, so write down 300. Now 8 in which place? 10 place. So write down 80 and the 6 at the 1's place. Again 3, after 3 how many digit? 2 digit, 1 and 2. So write down 20, put plus sign, then take 8. Then after 8 how many digit? 1 digit. So write down 10, then put plus sign, then write down 6. In word form 300. Okay, 386. And a block from 300 means you have to 3 block which have a vertical line 10 and the horizontal line 10. It's like a 3 block. Okay, I am not drawing here perfectly because of the lack of space. And so here you have a number of box 3. Big box is 3. Okay, then this simple line, it's a 8 box. This box is you have a 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 box like this. You have a this strip is a number of strip is a 8. I am just write down here 8. And this 6. So make small 6 box here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6. Here you have to write down short form. So 2 at the 100 place. So 2, 0 at the 10 place. So 0, 4 at the 1 place. 4. 204. So 204. Okay. Now you have a number of box is a 2. Okay. So this big box is a 2. You have given already in your textbook. Okay, I don't have a textbook, so I can't draw it properly. And 0, so no vertical strip is given, just only number of box. Here small box is a 4. And what is given here? 161. See here 100, 1, then after what is 100. So write down here 100. Then what is given? 60. 60. So write down 60 plus what is given here? 1. If you combine these 3, then take 1, take 6, then take this 1. 161. So here only one big box. Okay, this box is only 1. And the 60 number of streaks like this which have a 10 box inside. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the 10. This strip is a number of strip is a 6 and the 1 little box. Okay, I am not drawing here all the 6 strip because lack of space. Here 350. See here doesn't given at the 1's place. So just write down 3 and 50, 50. If you write down here 100, 10s and the 1s at the 100, 3 given at the place. 1's not given, so write down over there 0. 350. Not 15, it's a 50. Now make a 3 big box. This 3 big box. 50 means it's 5 string. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. Now your question number 2, mental maths. Clues between 105 and 190. 0 in the one place. See, if we take 106, then 6 at the 0 place? No. 6 at the 1 place? Okay. So if we take 100 and the 10, so you can see 0 at the 1's place, and this number is between 105 and 190. So number is 110. Here between 450 and 490, 7 in the 10's place. Digit in the 1's place is 1 less than 8. Between 450 and 490, 7 in the 10th place. Digit in the 1's place is 1 less than 8. If we take 477, so you can see here 7 at the 10th place and 1 less than 8. So we cut 1 from the 8 from the 1 from the 8, then we get the 7. So here 7. So number is 477. Now observations, your last exercise. Now onwards we will start the another chapter. Your number, you have to write down expanded form as well as word form. Here number is given 343. Expanded form is विस्तृत रूप में लिखना है. 3 in which place? So 3 in 100 place. So write down 300. Now put the plus sign. Then 4 in which place? 10th place. 43 at the 1 place. Again 4 at the 100th place. 5 in the 10th place. 6 at the 1 place. 7 at the 100th place. 8 at the 10th place. And 2 at the 1 place. 3 at the 100th place. 8 at the 10th place and 9 at the 10th place. In word form, 300. I'm writing here, okay? First 2, 3 and the 4. I'm writing here first 343. 43. Don't write spelling FOUR. It's a 43, means FORTY. Now 400, and here you have to write down FOUR, okay? FOUR. 456. 782. And the 389. Got it? Okay. Bye. Take care. Miss you.